Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho is about uVuyokazi Cibweni. Guys, uVuyokazi ubaby mama kaMpumelelo Mseleko, which is first son yaka Musa Mseleko. Yesterday on Uthando Nesithembu uncut umama kaMpumelelo, or both parents kaMpumelelo, which is Baba Mseleko noMayeni, they did talk about uVuyokazi. All of us were shocked ukuthi uVuyokazi ungena. Baba Mseleko said kuMayeni, wena bongamfuni uVuyokazi nomntana yakho uMpumelelo, and I had to fight for uVuyokazi ukuthi abe la emagcekeni. So I guess uVuyokazi is responding to that ukuthi, because I was also confused ukuthi I understand ukuthi why Mayeni mhlambe bangamfuni just because upregnant, bakhona amamazala bangafuni uMamakoti for no reason, but why Mpumelelo bangafuni uMayeni. So uVuyokazi has finally responded, and she wrote this on a Facebook account yakhe, and she wrote to be deleted. Upale to be deleted. It's just a glimpse of what happened back then. 2019, got pregnant, started getting phone calls from girlfriends, got threatening texts, accused of witchcraft, accused of miscarriage that occurred around that time. Mpumelelo uke washo on a podcast kaGogoskhotheni ukuthi one ama-girlfriends wakhe amanye wathola ama-miscarriage, meaning le ngane nazo ngabe bongayenzanga lama-miscarriage, or if laba abanyazange bathola ama-miscarriage ngabe zisesekhona up until to date, yabo. So that means uMpumelelo unezinye ingane ezandlula emhlabeni, which is so sad, guys. Upale accused of miscarriage that occurred around that time. Fake accounts were created using my name, kuthiwa ndithuka umamake and her sisters. I don't know makathi uthuka umamake and her sisters. I don't know usho ama-sister wives, which is abomacele, or usho ama-sister kaMayeni, lawo Mayeni azalwa nabo kayeni. I don't know ke. His mom called my mom because apparently ndimthuka on social media, got dumped, almost lost my daughter due to the stress of defending myself against all this. 2020 gave birth, opened a case because I was scared this continue, and which is a great move. Well, you should open a case. If someone open a fake account ngegama lakho, you should open a case and bheka manje umuntu uthuka amanye abantu ngegama lakho. The real person behind the fake account and the sex was found by his dad. Apologies were made. 2021 got back together. There's still so much more, and I'm not explaining myself. I'm just annoyed. It gets to that point. You understand? So we are explaining. She's not explaining herself, but she's just annoyed. I feel like there was no need to explain herself because a lot of people, they were still on her side. A lot of people, we were just assuming which we favorite Mayeni. Then now we know she was never a favorite. Just that because Mayeni Guamayamasin baga appearing at uyamlwela uVuyokazi, but no, kusho ukuthi bakangamlweli uVuyokazi, bekayenza nje singathini, bekakhuluma iqiniso lakhe. And vele mangathi ubuyele emuva, there's no scene whereby we could see ukuthi Mayeni is truly fighting for uVuyokazi. So I guess uVuyokazi now is explaining ukuthi why ubaba uMseleko athi umlwelile, and now I feel like Baba Mseleko vele umlwelile and ulwela iqiniso, because if you are normal or if you are thinking straight, there's no girlfriend ongathuka umamazala angamazi on social media nama-sister wakhe. It doesn't make sense. And as uMpumelelo nama-girlfriend amaningi bomele bayicabange leyo part ukuthi hayi mhlambe uVuyokazi one of the girlfriend will create ama-fake account, because I don't think ukuthi uVuyokazi naye bakangavele create i-fake account just ukuthi athuke umamazala wakhe. I don't think ukuthi uVuyokazi angayenza kanjalo, but now ke uyasho ukuthi no, that was not her. And I guess khona okunye okuningi uVuyokazi asazokusho. She later posted that kuthethwa ngepast yami eTV-ini. I guess kwi-TV leyo. Mina ndithulile ndingathethi ngepast. Sanundichela, guys, I don't know Xhosa. Sanundichela. Some of you guys don't know anything. This is nothing. Bahlala basho ukuthi don't trust reality TV shows. There's no reality there, guys. When they say there is no reality, there's no reality there, guys. So that is what uVuyokazi has posted on Facebook account yakhe, but I guess later maybe zabe sayideleted this thing, and I'm just waiting for her to post more zindabas so that we can understand what is going on ngamselegu. And at this point I do understand ukuthi mayeni mhlambe wayebekakwatela uVuyokazi, and I also understand ubaba uMselegu, and I believe ukuthi ubaba uMselegu umlwele uVuyokazi because uyo olwele ukuthi kutholakala iqiniso, and uyo olwele ukuthi igama la Vuyokazi ligezeke. So bazali bami Zitho, now we know ukuthi why ubaba uMselegu bekathi ulwele uVuyokazi kumpumelelo. So umpumelelo bakane right ukukwata, because you cannot ukuthi the person who created the fake account bekayenza as if uVuyokazi then athuka umama kaMpumelelo, of which uMpumelelo vele mela kwade, you understand? So that is all for now, bazali bami Zitho. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.